Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is official website so you can download driver. Then this is search button, just click on it. Then enter the model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then just click on first anyone because this is version is different but driver same. So select any. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, both operating system installations process same. Okay, so first guys download, after that I show you installations how to install. So first audio driver, you can see SD audio driver and click to download. So this icons to download. When you click to download it will start downloading. You can see here the audio driver. Then chipset. So AMD chipset driver. So AMD chipset driver you can see, and this is download icon. Click to download. When you click to download it will start downloading. Then LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver you can see, and click to download. Then you can see WLAN and BT means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. So this is first Bluetooth, second Wi-Fi. Download one by one both. Okay, and Wi-Fi also. Then USB, and this is download icon, and click it. When you click to download it will start downloading in the download box. It will complete it. This is pending. Yeah, and then just click to icon this, and where it is downloading it will open it and then show you how to install. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.